Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Regions. We will be discussing on what AWS Regions are and how to select a region for your business needs. Let's talk about them. AWS Global Infrastructure is divided into several AWS regions. That is, an AWS region represents a physical, geographical location in the globe. Each AWS region has multiple availability zones. It's important to mention that there are at least 3 availability zones in a region. Applications can be deployed on all regions or on a specific regions. There are situations when you need to make decisions to select AWS regions. It's important to note that AWS regions are independent. Each AWS region is designed to be isolated from the other AWS regions to achieve the greatest possible fault tolerance and stability. When you view your resources, you see only the resources that are tied to the AWS region that you specified. That is because AWS regions are isolated from each other and AWS doesn't automatically replicate resources across AWS regions. Now the question is how to select an AWS regions. An AWS region is selected based on various conditions such as data regulations, customer proximity, service availability, and pricing. Let's talk about each of these conditions. Data regulations. Some countries do not allow sensitive data to be processed and stored abroad. Company might require that all company data shall reside in the country. Customer proximity. Selecting a region near customers can help to make the service faster. It provides lower latency and better performance. Service availability. All AWS data centers do not support all services and features. The reason is that making a new service available, AWS requires to build infrastructure in the data center. Pricing. Prices might vary from region to region. In conclusion, an AWS region is a geographical area and an independent infrastructure. Select a region that gives you the best business outcomes. That's all about AWS regions. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.